Animals are weird. That's just a fact. It's part of what made me interested in them in the first place. Their odd looks, their curious behaviors, all of that good stuff. Humans are also animals, and we tend to be quite weird ourselves. So it's no surprise that when we decide to give other species names, we'd give them some pretty weird ones. In this video, I want to take a look at some of the weirdest animal names. Fair warning, some of these will probably be inappropriate. Let's get into it. When I first heard the name Ai, I thought the animal would be a pirate's first mate or something. I mean, I guess it still could be. However, it's actually a lemur native to Madagascar. Known for its huge, bugged-out eyes, long middle finger, and its rat-like teeth, this animal not only had an interesting name, but an interesting appearance. They also have a weird way of finding food. They tap on trees to find grubs living in them. Once they find one, they use their rat-like teeth to chew a hole into the bark. Then they use their long middle fingers to pull grubs out to eat. This is called percussive foraging. Neat, and also somewhat terrifying. As for its name, there's debate as to how it got it. The first claim is that French naturalist Pierre Sonnerat gave it the name Ai in 1782. Sonnerat claimed it was a cry of astonishment, however, it was pointed out in 1982 by American Ian Tattersall that Ai resembles the native Malagasy name Hai, which refers to the animal. Due to this, it's now believed it's unlikely the Frenchman gave the animal its name. Another theory is that it comes from another Malagasy term, hehe, which is Malagasy for I don't know. It is said the animal was called this because nobody wanted to speak its actual name, and they were and still are seen as being evil to many Malagasy people. I apologize if I mispronounced any of these terms. I could not find any reliable resources for Malagasy pronunciations. The next animal is not known for its eyes or its appendages, rather it's known for the sound it makes, which is screaming. This animal is known as the screaming hairy. It screams when you pick it up.
Wow. Can you take this?
It has hair, and it is an armadillo. Going off that logic, would I be known as screaming hairy video guy? Doesn't quite roll off the tongue. You know what does roll off the tongue? Penis snake. Yeah, that's unfortunately a real animal, and just like that, there goes any chance of ever monetizing this video. The penis snake is not a sentient penis, and it's also not a snake. It's a Sicilian, which is a group of animals I really want to make an entire video on. But to summarize, they are limbless amphibians that often resemble worms. We know very little about them, and even less about the penis snake. We only know they exist due to a few specimens and sightings. We do have a type specimen of it, which is a preserved specimen of a species that's used as a reference. It's the only known lungless Sicilian. This one may be cheating a little bit since it's not officially known as the penis snake. It's just a name it's commonly referred to as since it, well, looks like a human male's genitalia. It's also apparently called the manaconda. Yep. Moving away from animals named after genitalia, let's finish strong with another animal that has a name that sounds like another word for human genitalia. That is the dik-dik. Yep, it's actually pronounced that way. No, Wikipedia, it's not pronounced xylophone. This adorable little antelope is named such because of the sound females make when they feel threatened. Dik-dik. It's an onomatopoeia. Which raises a question. If they are named after the sounds they make, are dik-diks technically Pokemon? Find out in the next episode of Funky Geckos. Thanks to everybody for watching. Do you have any funny or weird animal names you'd like me to go over in a possible part 2? Leave it in a comment below. Until next time, take care.